Hey guys, I'm back, and we're back for some more spooky horror games. This time, though, we're playing a different type of game because of my incident last time. So today, find my controller. So today, we're going to be playing. Oops! Oh my God, that's loud. Turn that down. I'm not even recording. That is so loud. The TV's. I'm already scared, and alright, I get it. Jesus. Oh my God. Okay, I get it. It's loud. You need to make it even louder. Yeah. So plug in my capture card so I can record this footage. Record this horror footage. There we go, it's in. So, sorry about that. So, today we are playing Oh Grandma. This game is on Xbox. I don't really know why. But I played this before. Same with
Mike.
Actually, was the one talking about this game. And I'll tell you now, it is pretty scary. So that's unfortunate. But you know what they say? Play the game, you stupid baby. So we've got difficulty the map. I don't actually think you can change any of it. You just can't change any. Right, let's go in and let's
Bravo 6. Going dark.
No. Now I think this is supposed to be scarier than I don't care. One right. So apparently this game is theory to be a lot scarier than the original Granny. So we're gonna. What the chuff is that? Oh God, she's there. Come back. I just got goosebumps. That was actually horrible. Why are we making noises, Granny? Now, this is the thing I don't. Right, well there she is. That's right. I know where she is now, so it's all right. What? I don't like those. What is this? Your granny's head with Shrek in it. What? What the? Am I just sinking through the floor? So no, that we got to be cautious. Oh! You can't catch me, Granny. Well, I'm round the table. You can't get me. Oh, oh, oh. You can't get me. That shouldn't have scared. That really. No. Stop. Why she keeps just standing still? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead.
Aww.
Damn. That should not, that actually scared me. I don't know why that actually scared me. As much, that should not have scared me that much. Actually terrifying, which is literally just fizzed through the table. Right. We're gonna do this again, but we're gonna be better prepared, alright? I'm gonna go straight in. Okay, she's coming upstairs. Oh god. I'll be dead already. Granny? You ready? Watch this.
Ow.
Oh! Actually outskilled, mate. I don't actually know how I'm supposed to leave. There's no lock-up. Maybe I need to... Stop doing that noise. And we got... Like, maybe I need to find something to get rid of Shrek. The door's just gone. Oh, she's there. Alright, she falls short then. Right, so... Oh! Why are you so fast all of a sudden? Okay, so there's a cabin in here. She's following me. The bedroom in here with a weird light up there. She's still following. Bathroom. Why are the two sinks? Toilet full of oil. You ready? Yeah, actually got outskilled. Yeah, like why she stood? Oh my god. Oh. Oh god. That actually got me. Alright, I'm gonna go down to the basement this time. My torch won't turn on. Oh. There we go, it's on. Okay, she's gonna be coming up the stairs, so I'm gonna wait for her to walk past and I'm gonna book it downstairs. I'm gonna... Oh, I forgot she was in the bathroom first, wasn't she? What the chuff? Why are you here? Why is she fading through the freaking table? Why? You're not supposed to come in here. You're supposed to go that way. Okay, she's following me. Let's just run down to the basement. There we go. Granny! Sorry, not Granny. Boat Grandma. Why is the blood all over the floor? Yeah. Is there actually anything... I don't actually think there's out there. Wait. Oh! Little Easter egg. Alright, let's just go up to the door. Just spam every button. Except from X. Oh my god, she got me again. Now, I think... Yeah, there's like no way to change these. Oh god, I hate this music. Oh my days. There we go. I think when I first started playing this game, I think before they had an update, you could literally walk up to the front door and just leave. You can't actually do that now. Right there. Oh, I haven't checked out here actually. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, is there a button to jump? There's not. Granny, stop doing that. I keep calling her. I'm sorry. Boat grandma. Okay. You ready? Watch this. She got you. Run, run, run. Right, what I'm gonna do actually, if I can get down, there we go. I'm gonna try and, doesn't work. This game's one of the most well-made games I've ever actually played. I think. This game, I don't know. What the chuff is that? You got me again. Well, as you can see, there's not much I can really do. I think it's just a little bug. But hey, it's a new game. It's only been out, I don't know, however long. So we gotta respect it. But apart from that bug, this game is actually the best game I've ever played in my life. I don't think I've ever played a game as good as this. Honestly, it is that good. You know what I did? You know what they say? I did play the game. Play the game, you stupid baby. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head out. This was a pretty fun video, actually. I enjoyed doing this one, unlike the other one. Because that one, I was really scared. This one, not to say I wasn't scared on this one. This one did terrify me. I think I cracked myself or something. But it was scary. But the other one, I think the other one's just unfair. Can't even beat it. This one, really good. But that's going to be the end of this playthrough of the Pokemon. So thank you for watching, guys. We got to be cautious. Oh! 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 Ah! Oh! Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead. Oh. Oh my god. That actually got me. What the? From X. Way to change these. What the chuff is that? Really good. But